Filters last approximately 3 months depending on the frequency of use and types of materials being recycled. Activated carbon filters out odors which might otherwise occur during the food recycling process. Clean and mess-free removal and replace as filters twist in place in a clockwise motion. Remove protective white label on filters before using them in your FoocCycler. Compatible with FC50 and FC30 models. Intuitive carbon filtration eliminates any odors which might otherwise occur during the food recycling process. Using safe and nature-derived activated carbon, your FoocCycler is able to capture any naturally occurring odors and emissions while in use. Top reviews from the United States. You just need this when the FoocCycler starts smelling emo. I love Vitamix FoodCycler so much. I have been using it every 2-3 days for 20 months now. And I wasn't sure when to change the filters, I totally forgot about it. But last week it suddenly started smelling really bad. Then I realized that I need to change the filters. I got this order, delivered quicker than expected, and priced better than regular price. I replaced it and used FoocCycler tonight, and there were no more bad smell anymore. How simple is that? Replacing this is pretty simple and intuitive.